Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's Frostbyte. I'm back again with another Mercury Dime video. I received 2 gifts from people. And again, I love doing trades and stuff like this in this community. It's absolutely awesome. I really appreciate it. Now, the other day I showed you guys this. This came in from AZ Coins. And then I also got these in from YouTube Me. These are 2 rosies that go into my Rosie book. And then this is a 1931D. And this is a 1928D. They're going to go in my book. And then I got 2 coins in, the 31S and the 20S. Or excuse me, the 20S and the 35D from AZ Coins. No, they're not taped. They're actually in plastic. Pull those out of there. Like so. Kind of freaked me out when I first saw them. I thought they were taped in there. I was like, AZ should know better. But he does know better. I screwed him up the first time because he said he was going to send them to me and I gave him the wrong zip code, which was terrible. Bad of me. Bad Frosty. All right, so the first one's going to go here. Now what I do is if I know I'm going to be getting the coin, I keep these little rolls. They're the little ones you pull off the edge of a cent. I keep those because they've come in really handy. So here's this 1920. You can see that it's 1920, but it's pretty slick. But that fills my book. That makes me happy. I still need, obviously, the 16D and then the 19S. Those will come in time. 24D. I still have that coming in. I don't have the coin yet, but that coin is coming in. So go ahead and move over here to the next side. And we have, oh, I can't see that one. This one is the 1935D, and that one goes right here. Go ahead and put that in there. And then this one, I believe this is the 28D. Is it the 28D? He sent me, I think he was supposed to send me the 24. And he sent me the 28, which I already have, so I'm going to set that aside. This one is that. All right, and I thought I had one more. Where did it go? 35D, 20. That was a 28. Oh, maybe that was all. All right, so that was the only one. And this is the 31. Oh, no, there it is. That's the other one that I needed. That's the 31D. And this is one that me sent me. Knew I needed this one. I actually had traded one of these for somebody. Sent them the one I was going to get, knowing that I was going to get another one in from me, which was really cool. I've already checked this for RPMs. There are no RPMs on that one. Actually a fairly decent coin. Unfortunately, that one looks like the mint mark took a hit. It's completely full. I know you can't see that, but I'm just looking at it, and that one's going to go right there. All right. So I have 3 coins that I don't have yet. 27S, the 19S, and the 16D. Obviously, this one's going to take me a while to get. These 2 should be coming to me soon. I have these 2 coming to me. I don't remember off the top of my head who's coming in with those. I'll change this out. Put that in there. That actually fits in there really nice. And again, it just lets you know that you have coins coming in so you don't purchase them. And then that's it. So I've got a couple more items within my mark book. I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way. Now I do have, in my mark book, I do have a couple things that I'm going to be doing once I have it all full. So this one's going to be the 46, and that one's there. I definitely need that one. So we're going to pop that out of here, and we're going to put that right in here. And just make sure there's not a mint mark on that. There is not. And that goes in there right there. And then this one, I guess I can set that one down. I have that one. This is the 50D. This is a mintage of about 46 million. I think I've already looked at the mint mark on that. Don't see any, no RPM or anything of that nature. So we're going to go ahead and stick that right there. Again, my hands are dry. I don't have lotion or anything on them, so I don't have a problem touching the coins. I only need a few more silver dimes to complete my set. The ones that I need for these, 49S, 48S, 47S, 54D, 55D, and then 1960 and 1958. Here's what's really funny about this. Okay, check this out. I noticed this the other day. It's not by design, 100% accidental, but still really cool. P, D, S. Oh, it's the small things that make you smile. So it's funny that 3 different pages, it's the P, D, and S that I need on different pages. I just kind of thought that was funny. You know, the things you happen to see. So again, when these books are done, they'll be popped out of here, and then I'll get the Mercury Dime book. I'll get the Rosie book, and I'll actually put them in archival safe. These are temporary solutions until I get them done. And then when I get them done, I'll take these books and forward them on to somebody else, or perhaps start my next set. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the other thing that I wanted to show you was this. Now, you guys know that I'm Frostbyte coins and collectibles, right? So I collect not just coins, but I collect a whole bunch of different things. I collect ships, I collect stamps. I have a bunch of little knickknacks and things of that nature that I also collect that I like to keep in my kind of collection. And this is something that YouTube Me sent me. Now, I like these because they have a couple different things on them. Number one, this is the 2004 series. Okay, so if you guys know, we got the nickels here, and they give you a little bit about the Philadelphia and the Denver mints. They talk to you about, you know, the Louisiana Purchase, what was happening during that time frame. They give you a little bit of information. Again, it's just the envelope and the stamp, but you got one for each one of these. So again, you have these two, 2004, came out March 1st. I was hoping they would come out April 1st, which is my birthday. No, that's not a joke. Frosty is born on April Fool's Day. But unfortunately, I haven't been able to find stamps and coins or dies or anything like that. If you ever happen to find anything that is stamped, minted April 1st, 73, you let me know, because that's my year. All right. So what we got here is we've got Denver and Philadelphia. Again, looking at that ship, Lewis and Clark, the keel boat that they have there. You guys know I like ships, so this is a really cool coin. I don't know that there's any errors or varieties on this particular one. I haven't really focused on nickels much. I've just completed my nickel book, so I have all of the nickels. Pretty soon I'll be buying a little bit nicer book to archive all of those in, but I've got the nickels all the way up from, I believe, 1938 all the way to present. So I need to get a book for those, but I haven't purchased those yet. And then we moved into 2005, and with 2005, you know, a couple of things came in. You have the ocean view there when they reached the Oregon coast. Now, I've actually been to Cannon Beach and gone to where they have in Astoria, where they have the lookout, the Lewis and Clark exposition, where they have the tower that's there, and you can climb up the little lighthouse and look at that 360-degree view. Absolutely awesome. So this means more to me now, actually having been to that. So again, you can see, you know, they were addressed to Boyd Smith. I don't know who Boyd Smith is. But again, just a really cool thing. And then the last one is The buffalo, yes, ladies and gentlemen, I have already checked. There is no speared bison on these. But again, February 28th, 2005. Too bad it isn't leap year. It would have been really cool if it had been February 29th, but it wasn't. But again, just a really cool set. I really enjoy this. And then, of course, you have the 2006 in which they did the Return to Monticello. Now, a lot of people question this. They say, you know, is this really part of the set? And it is, because this is when they returned back to the Monticello design. And again, you can see the obverse there with the with Jefferson, and then you have the new Monticello. So anyway, really cool set. It was very nice of him. Now the bottom of the case, again, each one of them have the Louisiana Purchase. I need to put these back in order. This is the Return to Monticello. This one is the Bison. And this one is the Louisiana Purchase. And then we have the last one here. All right, the keelboats. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to thank YouTube Me for that. I really appreciate you sending me this. And again, it's these things that I appreciate. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for spending your time with me. Again, YouTube Me, AZ Coins, thank you so much for the gifts. I definitely appreciate them. Continue to do more trades with you, as trades are something that I absolutely love doing in this hobby. All right, all. You have a wonderful day. Be well, be blessed, and I will see you in the streams. Take care.